Life is a marvel, isn't it? From towering trees to bustling ants, the diversity of life is astounding. But beneath this complexity lies a beautiful simplicity: cells. These microscopic units are the building blocks of all living things. Just like bricks form a wall, cells come together to create something bigger: tissues. Tissues are groups of similar cells working together. They perform specific jobs, like a team of specialists. Imagine a colony of ants. Each ant has its role, just like cells in a tissue. This teamwork is essential for the survival of all organisms, whether it's a plant reaching for the sun or a cheetah chasing its prey. Tissues are the foundation upon which the incredible structures of life are built.
Plants, those silent giants of the natural world, rely on tissues just like animals do. Imagine a tree trunk strong and sturdy. This strength comes from specialized plant tissues. There are two main types: meristematic and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues are like the plant's growth zones. They contain cells that are constantly dividing, adding new cells to the plant body. Think of them as tiny construction crews, always busy building the plant taller or wider. Permanent tissues, on the other hand, are made of cells that have specialized roles. Some, like parenchyma, are involved in photosynthesis, the process of converting sunlight into energy. Others, like collenchyma, provide flexible support to the plant, like scaffolding. And then there are the complex tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem acts like a network of tiny pipes, transporting water and minerals from the roots to the rest of the plant. Phloem, on the other hand, carries sugars, the food made during photosynthesis, to where it's needed.
Animals, from the smallest insects to the largest whales, possess an astonishing array of tissues, each with its own unique function. Let's take a closer look at the four main types: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissues.
Epithelial tissue forms a protective barrier on the surfaces of organs and the body's exterior. Think of your skin. It's made of epithelial tissue that shields you from the environment.
Connective tissue binds everything together, providing support and structure. Your bones and cartilage are great examples of this.
Muscular tissue, as its name suggests, is responsible for movement. Whether it's the beating of your heart or the blink of your eye, muscle tissue is hard at work. And finally, we have nervous tissue, which forms the body's communication network. Your brain, spinal cord, and nerves are all made up of nervous tissue, allowing you to sense the world around you and react accordingly.
Each of these tissue types plays a crucial role in an animal's ability to function and thrive. Just like the instruments in an orchestra, they work together in harmony to create the symphony of life.
From the tips of our fingers to the petals of a flower, tissues are the fabric of life. They are the foundation upon which the incredible diversity and complexity of living organisms are built. Without tissues, plants wouldn't be able to stand tall or produce the oxygen we breathe, and animals wouldn't be able to move, think, or survive. The next time you marvel at the intricate details of a leaf or the graceful movements of a bird, remember the silent symphony of tissues working tirelessly behind the scenes. For it is in these tiny, organized communities of cells that the true wonder of life unfolds.